Hello and welcome to the channel Fabrico. We are going to sew Kate beret. Please find the link to download this pattern below the video in the description box. This beret with cut-off band and lined underside. You can use any satin fabric, also you can use tweed or denim. Don't forget about lining. Let's get sewing! Sew the top of the beret with the lining in a circle at 5 mm from the edge. Place the parts wrong sides together. Sew the band pieces from the main fabric face to face at 1 cm from the edge. Press the allowances. Sew the lining parts in the same way. Place the top between the band pieces, pin along the notches and stitch in a circle at 1 cm from the edge. Top stitch along the band at 2 mm from the seam, press the seam lightly. Stitch the band pieces along the bottom edge. Press the band in half and stitch into a ring. Press the seam, stitch along the open cut. Press the loop face to face with the band. Align the seams and notches and stitch, overlock or zigzag the cut and press towards the beret. Give the beret a final press.